educated. Okay, if you want to be educated on real estate educated, and discover great home listings in the coastal South Carolina Lowcountry, register today and visit Steve Wallace Real Estate, SWRE Daily. Registration is free, and Steve Wallace Real Estate has all the latest listings of homes for sale in Bluffton, Hilton Head, Margaritaville Hilton Head, City Hilton Head, and other top locations at Jasper County and Beaufort County areas of the coastal South Carolina Lowcountry. Seeing is believing. You'll see all types of real estate listings perfect for retirees, singles, couples, families, first-time home buyers, and real estate investors. Act now. Join us online at Steve Wallace Real Estate.
Bum, bum, bum.